Hi everyone, let's make a bhindi recipe, and this is a very simple recipe, and I'll give credit to my friend sister Salima for this recipe. It is completely her recipe. I've just made a slight change, and I'll tell you what that change is when I get there, because there are two ways of doing it and they work out just right. So to a non-stick pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of oil, and I sliced one medium-sized onion and I sliced it very thinly. We'll fry the onions till they're slight golden. My bhindi, I had already washed and dried it ahead of time, so I cut both the tail ends and then I cut them into rounds, and sometimes you can also slit them in the middle, and it works fine. You can cut it however you like. Once the onions turn slight gold, we will add the bhindi, and this is about 2 cups of bhindi, which I had washed earlier and dried earlier, and so I just had to cut them. So we will cook the bhindi till it gets cooked and softens and goes light brown. At this point, I am going to add 2 red chilies and some salt to taste. Now you need to keep mixing this frequently so that it cooks evenly on all sides. Now here's the twist. My friend said that you add all the dry masalas and then you add some lemon juice, and that is to add some sourness to it. And what I did was use an alternative to it, which was adding the sourness with a tomato. So I am going to use tomato, and it works out both ways. You can use either the lemon juice or you could use tomato, as I have, and it will work out quite well in using both these ways. Tomato, and then I cooked it till all the vegetables become soft. To help these vegetables cook faster, I added about 4 tablespoons of water so that the masala doesn't burn. I kept stirring it in between, and once the vegetables were all nice and soft and well cooked, and I stopped cooking. Now I have a special shout out to Sister Salima. Thank you for your recipe, and keep smiling. Have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye for now.